Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix EA app not opening games. Now first things first, right click on your EA app and then go to properties, and now go to compatibility and select this and click apply and then click OK. Now if it's still not working, what you're going to do is search for run and then enter this prompt, then click OK. Now find this one and then delete it. Now another thing that you can do is to right click the window and now go to system and now from there go to advanced system settings and now select this one and you have to delete this path. Now after doing that, what you're going to do is go to control panel and then go to clock and then go to region. Now go to administrative and then change system locale. Now you have to check this beta use and then click OK, and then you have to restart now your PC or your laptop, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.